The SEEDEEM Max XL air fryer offers a versatile cooking experience with its 10 preset menus, allowing you to easily prepare a variety of dishes from French fries to baked goods. Featuring a large color LCD touchscreen, this air fryer provides an intuitive and convenient control interface, simplifying the cooking process with just a gentle touch. Its 3D air circulation heating system, combined with an 1800-watt heating element, ensures efficient baking and delivers crispy, delicious results with minimal oil. The pull-out power-off memory and flip reminder functions enhance safety and convenience, allowing you to add ingredients or flip food without interrupting the cooking process. With an adjustable temperature range from 104 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and a flexible timer, you can precisely control the cooking conditions for a perfect outcome every time. The Auto Keep Warm function ensures that your food remains at the ideal serving temperature until you are ready to enjoy your meal.